Hi, my name is Chef Logan, and I'm going to teach you how to make the best chili cheese dog. The materials you need are hot dogs, buns, cheese, onions, and chili! Some people like ketchup on their hot dogs.
I don't like ketchup.
Marcus, my sister likes mustard on her hot dogs.
Mustard is a no-no.
I know, Marcus. Mustard's okay. Out of here, mustard. Chili's the best.
Yeah!
Time to grill up these puppies. Secret to making a chili cheese dog is grill your buns. Stirring up the chili. Almost ready. Next, add a bun. Next, get a dog. Next, add some chili.
Oh!
Let's dress this puppy up. Add some onions. Bam! Sprinkle of cheese. I can't wait to have that in my tummy. And now is the chili cheese dog eating contest. In 3, 2, 1, go! Sounds so good. Thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Time out.
Okay, hold on. We're gonna turn it off.
It jumped out.
I know, because you weren't stirring.
The chili got you back.
Yeah.
Let me taste it, Logan.
Chili got you back, dude.
Chili got you back for calling it poop. You should have used that for the seed.
You're good. You're good.
Oh, I actually got